Who am I? Only my inner search holds the answer. I reclaim its strength. Seeking the compass that will guide my steps, I will climb any mountain that life puts before me. To find myself and conquer the love I long for. I see you at the top. Chapter 1, Senses. What you hear. What you feel. What you smell. What do you see, May? Chapter 2, Follow Your Heart. The fire is a silent witness of my inner journey, while my being shows me the truth. I see you at the top. That lies hidden within me. Your heart is the compass. Your heart. Nyu Bu. Chapter 3. Nyu Bu. Arigato, Zaishō. Thank you for allowing me to climb on your body. Arigato, Zaishō. Thanks to the fire for warming me up. Arigato, Zaishō. Thank you, stars, for guiding me. Fight for what you love, May. With a hair shining on its back, you will remember your love. Nourish your inner bear, for it possesses both fury and compassion, two indispensable forces for love. Arigato, Zaishō. Go home and apply what you learned on the mountain. Chapter 4. Wisdom. My re-evolution is ours. Arigato, Zaishō.